welcome to the Kappa Kappa Gamma House. My name is Izzy Gim, our current president.
And I am Lydia Perez, our VP of Membership.
And we're going to show you around our house today.
I stretch my hands out to the sky. We dance with monsters through the night. I'm never gonna look back.
So welcome into our house. First, we're just going to talk a little bit about the history of Kappa Kappa Gamma. So our fraternity was actually founded here in 1870, just up the street at the Stewart House. And here on the wall, we have our 6 founders. And speaking of history, we're going to take you into the formal living room.
This is gonna be the best day.
So here in our formal living room, we like to showcase some of our chapter's awards, such as programming awards or academic achievements.
And over here we have our donor wall filled with friends and alumni that have supported us throughout the years.
And now we're going to show you our formal dining room.
I howled at the moon with friends, and then the sun came crashing in.
So in here is a pretty common place for our sisters to hang out, and we like to have dinner in here sometimes before chapter, or we can have meals in here with our families like on family weekend.
This room also includes some of our most recent composite pictures.
I'm never gonna give it up.
This is our sunroom, and it's one of our favorite rooms in the house.
One of my favorite memories of being in Kappa is after bid day my freshman year, I came in and met some of my lifelong friends in this very room. So now we're going to take you upstairs, and the first thing I want to point out is a really unique part of our house, that we have pineapples on the wall that are actually a traditional symbol of warmth and welcoming. So this is our presidential suite that our sisters Courtney and Lauren currently live in.
Hi guys, I'm Lauren and this is Courtney. I live here because I'm the house manager of Kappa Kappa Gamma House, and this is my side of the room. And this is Courtney's, and then Courtney will take you guys into the bathroom. Come with me. Alright, me and Lauren both have our own bathroom, and in here we have a little nice jacuzzi tub.
This is gonna be the best day of my life.
Next to Courtney and Lauren's room is our main bathroom that the rest of the girls share in the house. As you can see, it's pretty spacious and they all can get ready in here.
So this is another one of our sisters' rooms, and as you can see, it's pretty spacious. So it's typically a double, but only one of our sisters is living in here currently, so she's really made this space her home. And next, our sister Diamond is going to show you around her room.
Hello. Okay, so this is my bed, and then this is where I go to study, and I really tried to make my room very homey with like all of my pictures and all of my paintings that I've got from my family. And I really love living in the house because it makes me feel really closer to my sisters here.
Our last room in the house is our sister Hannah's room. One of the coolest features about this room is the shelf. Anyone who lives in this room can really make it their own, and that's my favorite part of this room.
Our second staircase leads back down into the kitchen in the sisterhood room, and we'll take you there next.
This is gonna be the best day of my life.
Welcome to our sisterhood room, and in this room we hold our chapters. We also hold sisterhoods in here, and all initiated members have access to the house, so we like to come in here and just hang out with each other. So along this wall we have a bunch of stuff that's really representative of our chapter. Our chapter flower is the iris. We have a bunch of pictures of our sisters along the wall, and then right here we have our TV, and one of my favorite things to do with our chapter is our sisterhood movie nights. And welcome to our kitchen. This is our final room in the house. One of the perks about living in the house is that you can get off the meal plan and actually cook your own food for yourself, which our house rules really utilize. They actually just cooked our entire chapter of Thanksgiving dinner. And this space is also really useful for sisterhoods. We do dip nights in here where all of our sisters bring in their favorite dips and we make it into a little fun competition. And then we also do cookie decorating in here. So there's our fridge and our stove. And then back over here is our downstairs bathroom. And our house girls also do their laundry in here. So that concludes our house tour.
We hope you enjoyed our house as much as we do.
Thanks for watching. A few fun facts about our Kappa house is that we have a tennis court outside, 7 chandeliers in the house, and 4 fireplaces. Up to 6 sisters can live in our house at a time, and we do not have a housing requirement.